Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. This is going to be my first video on this channel. I hope you like it and subscribe it. Today we have got something super exciting to unbox. The brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. As we see, the box feels very premium. It has some texture on the picture of the phone, the back of the box, details about the phone, and if you see sideways, it's just the seal. It looks very premium. Samsung is keeping things sleek and minimalistic with the box design so that it looks simple, elegant, and clean. Finally, let's do the unboxing. Tan tan tan. As we open the box, we are greeted with the phone right at the top. We'll take a closer look in just a minute, but first let's see what else comes inside the box. Here is the USB-C charging cable. Let's see what's inside. Quick start guide, a SIM ejector pin. So that's all we got in the box. Here is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, looking stunning as ever. Just look at it. Just look at the display, it looks stunning and it's ultra thin bezels. It feels really premium in hand with the glass back and metal frame. Samsung is definitely not skimping on build quality. Now let's quickly boot up this device and see how it looks. You can see this phone is wobbling a little bit because of the camera hump back side, but the screen looks really beautiful. You can see how stunning it is. That's very nice.